Okay. It's just you. Okay. It's just you. I know you. Come on in. I'm gonna spill another secret today. Got two different threshold types that I'm gonna go over just with you. I got one behind me and one in front of me. I'm gonna show you how to do this one. If you have a piece of flooring that doesn't match up right, matches up inappropriately, well, I'm gonna solve that for you today. Come in. Yeah, okay. I think I heard something out here. Down here is the first threshold that I want to go over with you. It's just, it looks like Timmy forgot to pick up his trash again. Darn kids. Anyway, it's this little threshold right here. It's only about this thick, and it goes from right here to right here. It runs all the way down. And they were using that to separate the carpet there to the wood. But I've put new flooring over the old flooring, and eventually I'm going to match up, get rid of this carpet and put a new threshold over both, just like the one here, over both of these, and put screws in it through there. But anyway, you'll have to follow along to see how I transition this in the future. But that's, you can see right here, this is a threshold. They have a piece of wood right here. That's a piece of wood right there.
2x6, and then there's this metal piece that they've screwed down and onto that, which runs underneath all this, and then they put this in it, and then somebody in the future can remodel the house, probably in the 70s, and they put some linoleum flooring down right here underneath this, and they put this transition from that door over onto the linoleum or whatever, instead of the old hardwood oak that was there underneath. So anyway, this is some more threshold types, but you see they all connect the same way. You just put screws in through the top, pre-drill the holes, and the same way with this, you can do nails or screws. So come in close over here to the one I'm about to do, and I'm going to show you
just how easy these really are. Nothing to be scared of. They're all the same. These transition pieces. I did a smooth transition right here because it's the same type of flooring. Smooth transition. This one's transition from the waterproof laminate, vinyl laminate or waterproof laminate, to the hard oak wood floors that are clear glazed gloss. And I have a video on how I got all that flooring to look like that from 1940s era. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so this is just a wooden threshold, and all I've done is cut it to length from here to here and add an extra 1/16 so that it's a tight fit right here. And you can see here's the old carpet right here, and this is the oak wood, hard oak wood floors to the carpet. And I took out the threshold that was there, ran my new flooring over to right here because I knew this would cover all this. So now what I'm going to do, that it's cut to length, I'm going to slide it in place where it covers and match it up on both sides, like right here and right there. I think that looks nice. Take your drill, free drill bit,